Wait, what?
You have to watch it all.
All I can say is you have a small dick so far. You're shitting it.
Is that even possible? Oh, it's crusty.
Ouch.
How can he shove
All
a
I
jar up his ass?
All I want to do is tense my ass.
It gets worse. It gets so much worse.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh
it's
my
dripping
god.
out. Oh shit.
Oh.
How's he not screaming?
Oh, look at the blood.
Oh.
The toilet. I need the toilet.
He just shoved it.
No, that's probably bleeding.
Wait,
How's he not crying or screaming or anything?
he's getting it. Oh god. Does this man live by any chance?
Yeah, because he does the screwdriver one after.
What?
How,
the same man.
No, wait, how does he live?
But it's
Look how
pissing.
much blood's coming out.
I don't know.
He
I
has
don't even
got
know
a
if it's real.
bucket
It
of
might not be
ass.
real. But I can't watch it after me judging.
Oh. I actually feel physically sick.
Because he's pulling it out, isn't he?
Yeah, but his hands are covered in blood. What is going on?
Oh my gosh.
I need a toilet now.
He's still got such a small dick.
Do you think it was meant to be like some kind of porn thing?
Oh yeah, it's shoving a jar up your ass. That really
Look how
turned
much blood
you on.
he's
Yeah.
lost.
Like, huh?
Look how much blood he's lost.
He must
Oh.
feel faint, man. He's still shoving. Oh my god, he's still pulling bits out.
Oh, that's
Oh. Oh, I feel sick now. Do is it?
What does he have up his melon?
Oh. He's got a crusty ass, man.
But why would you sit on it again?
Exactly.
That sounds so great.
Where is that glass? Oh.
Oh.
It hurts to watch.
If I was a bloke, man, I'd be groping my dick for dear life. His screwdriver ends.
It's worse than what I thought it would be.
It's the blood. I can't do it.
Oh, the blood's pissing out. Oh. Look, he's all bending up his cock in there. He actually is, though. He's making himself.
I feel so wheezy.
What?
I feel wheezy.
Oh, we said it looks so evil.
But
Oh, look at all his fingers, man. Oh.
It's like a murder scene.
Oh.
I don't want to watch anymore.
He's
all wet.
he's fucked up,
You're all
man.
I know I'm wet. Sumo wrestling.
He's fucked up.
Then why on your face for? Oh, my voice
wrong.
has just had so high.
Oh, it's
No,
finished.
it's not finished. It's not finished.
It is finished. Oh my god.